Hi guys, it's Bailey back with another Bailey's Lift Lessons. Today I'm going to be answering some of your questions that you had on my last post. So what is the heaviest two-post lift that we offer? We offer a 12,000 pound. So this is our AL12C two-post lift. As you can see, all of the cables go above, so you do need to have a higher ceiling. We recommend a 12-foot. For our two-post lift, we recommend 5-inch concrete thickness. This is our other two-post 12,000 pound lift. This is our AL12F. This is a little bit more doable if you have a lower ceiling. So we recommend a 9-foot 6-inch ceiling. And that's the minimum. Both of the lifts that I just showed you are running for $39.95 right now. So yeah, these 12,000 two-post lifts are, best for trucks, SUVs, cars. Also, right now, if you buy one of the lifts that you just saw, we're shipping to any business or terminal, near where you live for $275. So that's it. Shipping's really expensive right now, so that's a great deal. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask them and I will answer them. Thank you.